spamming the button.
The button?
I'm spamming the button. I'll press the record button.
Drop the glove somewhere. Find it. Way back. Move that.
I don't want to go too close. That would scare me.
Okay.
I have to go close, but too close. That one would scare me.
Okay, right here's perfect.
And do you want to wait? I want to know, and I can see better. So they definitely wait this close. I don't want to do too. Stop waiting for me. I don't want to do it. Dude, these are just 2 so this is going to happen. 4:45. You think of walking down already. We're definitely here in Grove Tree right now. To touch.
Mm-hmm. That's great.
Let's still here Grove Street.
Yeah, probably just about done.
It's not actually done yet.
There it goes. Now it's done. Thanks for going up.
I'm gonna stop the video. It won't let me.